Morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the population distribution of India. The population distribution of India found uneven. Here in India, population distribution uneven. In area, many factors affect the distribution of the population. Some scientists believe that natural factors are more important. Natural factors are the more important for the population decides. According to Clark, economic, government policies, etc. play a major role in population distribution. Here, the natural and artificial factors also affect the population distribution. The follow and the many factors like here that these factors are directly and indirectly affect the population distribution. We discussed all these 7 factors. First of all, here climate also affected the population distribution. Then favorable climate condition, then population found here the dense. Then normal climate condition, yeah, unfavorable climate condition, then here the population found low. Climate is the most important factor affecting the human habitat. The regions of extreme cold, extremely hot, the very cold region, very hot region, and the very dry region, and the very wet climate region, where here the found the low population. Found here the low population because here the not have condition for the living beings. No favorable condition for the living beings. So here not suitable for the human habitation and human activity. So here found the low population. It is because of this mountainous region of Himalayas are specially populated. यही रीजन है कि हिमालय जो रीजन है वहां पे वेरी कोल्ड एंड द माउंटेन रीजन आल्सो. सो हियर द लो पॉपुलेशन फाउंड इन द हिमालय रीजन एंड तराई रीजन. Due to unhealthy climatic condition, Tarai region is also very sparsely populated. Here the very cold region, very hot region, very cold region like Leh Ladakh, very hot region, the western Rajasthan, very wet region, like here then northern eastern India where the highly where the rainfall is maximum. So these regions are the not favorable for the living beings. So here the low population found. And the favorable climate condition region like here the middle India, UP, Bihar, West Bengal, here found the high population. Clear? Next, second is terrain, the surface. The areas of rugged terrain have low concentration of population because of availability of the cultivable land, difficulties in agricultural activities, underdeveloped transport system, and inaccessibility make these regions sparsely populated. The region, plain region, here the condition for the agriculture. Condition for the agriculture is favorable. India economy depend on the agriculture and the plain region. Then here the agriculture possible. Then agriculture possible. Here they found the dense population. But the region where like here the many type of the relief found here. Yeah, plateau regions, hilly regions where the low population found in this region, and the plain region here they found the high population. Clear? Next, availability of the water. Availability of the water also affected the population distribution. Availability of the water. Water is the basis of human life and the all activities of the human. Clear? As we go from east to west, we go from the east to west in India, from eastern part to the western part. The amount of the rainfall is decreasing eastern part to the western part. Then here the eastern part, here the availability of the water. Then here the highly population reside here, and in the western part here like here the western Rajasthan, here the low rainfall and the low population resides in the western part. As we go from east to west, the population densely in the northern India decreases with the decreasing rainfall. Decreasing rainfall, then the decreasing population. Due to availability of the water through canal and the north-western part of the Rajasthan is comparatively densely populated. ये वाला part Haryana, Punjab and eastern Rajasthan, here the found the canals, and canals is helpful for the agriculture. So here highly dense populated. From the ancient time, the river valley regions, the delta regions densely populated from the ancient time. Here the रिवर वैली रीजन्स डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड। देखो इंडिया डिपेंड किस पे है, एग्रीकल्चर पे। इंडिया इज द एग्रीकल्चरल country. Then here the main occupation is the occupation, and from the beginning here the main occupation is the agriculture. So the population resides nearby the bank of the rivers, bank of the water sources, and for the agriculture here the main work is the irrigation. और irrigation के लिए क्या चाहिए, water, और जहाँ पे water होगा then availability of the water, dense population resides in this region. Then availability of the water is not, then unavailability of the here unavailability of the water, then low population resides in these regions. Clear? Next, minerals resources. Human beings are always attracted to the minerals rich areas because due to the availability of the minerals, then here the employment increase, then the income of per capita income increase. So the population resides for the economic development nearby the mineral resources. ठीक है? Then minerals, availability of the mineral, then industrial development also, then in the industrial development also, and economic development is possible. That is why the mineral rich regions like here the Chota Nagpur Plateau, दामोदर वैली एंड द कोलार रीजन डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड, जहां पे ज्यादा मिनरल्स मिल रहे हैं, ठीक है, ये भी क्या हो रहा है, डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड, क्योंकि देन मिनरल हियर द इंडस्ट्री एस्टैब्लिश, देन हियर द मेनी अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स फॉर द इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट आल्सो हियर द इंक्रीज. सो डेंस पॉपुलेशन फाउंड इन दिस रीजन वेयर द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द मिनरल्स. नेक्स्ट, ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटी. Transport, the plain have the better developed transport facilities compared to the plateau and the mountainous region. Simple. Here the plain region, here the transport facility is the developed, and in hilly region and the plateau region here the low transport facility. As a result, plain are the densely populated. जहाँ पे transport facility है, transport facility in the plain region, then here the densely populated these plain region. Transport facility also affected the population distribution. Next, socio-psychological factors. Socio-psychological factors also affected the population distribution. Social, psychological, religious and the cultural factors also play an important role for the distribution of the population. Then here the favorable condition, favorable religious condition, cultural condition, then increase here the population, and here the unsuitable condition, then here the low population resides here. Social organization, social structure, educational facilities, medical and the health facilities, casteism, religious composition, social and religions value system are included in these factors, and the factors directly or indirectly affected the distribution of the population. Socio and the psychological factors also affected the population distribution. Last year, political and the economic factors. Political and economic factors, then here also affected the population distribution. Political factors, then here the change in the political system, then here the political factors like political instability, यानी पॉलिटिकल जो अस्थिरता होती है ना, चेंजेस यहाँ पे आते रहते हैं, अनरेस्ट, इनसिक्योरिटी. These conditions are not suitable for the living beings, for the human. So these places are in these places low population reside. Economic factors like industrialization, urbanization, ये क्या कर रहे हैं, affected the या attract the population, are responsible for the regional disparities in the distribution of population. For example, from some states of India like Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Assam, which lies on international border, और इस international border पे क्या हो रहा है, here unrest and insecurity. So the population of these region migrated to the other regions. Increase in other regions migrate to other areas due to increase in terrorist activities in the states. जहाँ पर terrorist activity हो रही है, या here political disability, political instability, then the population migrate in the peaceful region. ठीक है, the political factors also affected the population, and also economic factors then attract the population, like here the industrialization increase and here urbanization, then population attract in this region. So population found here the dense where the industrialization and the urbanization. all these factors are directly and indirectly affected the population distribution. Then here the favorable condition for the living beings, then here the increase the population, and unfavorable condition then decrease the population in these regions.